Hey everyone, welcome back to Business and Beyond. In today's video, we will be discussing the common mistakes new entrepreneurs make and how to avoid them. Being an entrepreneur is not an easy task, and it can be daunting to some, but with the right path and rulebook, you can be destined for greatness. The mistakes we mention in this video should be taken seriously if you want to achieve success within your business. To keep it simple, we made a list. 1. Not having a business plan. One of the biggest mistakes new entrepreneurs make is not having a clear business plan. A business plan helps you define your goals, target audience, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Without a plan, you risk making poor decisions that can lead to failure. To avoid this mistake, take the time to create a detailed business plan that covers all aspects of your business. 2. Underestimating costs. Another common mistake is underestimating the costs of starting and running a business. Many new entrepreneurs assume that they can start with a small budget and grow their business over time. However, this approach often leads to financial difficulties and can make it harder to scale your business. To avoid this mistake, be realistic about the costs of starting and running your business and plan accordingly. 3. Lack of market research. Many new entrepreneurs jump into a business without doing adequate market research. This can result in a product or service that doesn't meet the needs of the target audience. To avoid this mistake, take the time to research your market and understand your customers' needs and preferences. 4. Not understanding your competition. In addition to understanding your target audience, it's important to research and understand your competition. This will help you differentiate your business and develop a competitive advantage. To avoid this mistake, research your competitors and analyze their strengths and weaknesses. 5. Failing to build a brand. Many new entrepreneurs underestimate the importance of branding. Building a strong brand can help you stand out in a crowded market and establish trust with your customers. To avoid this mistake, invest time and resources in building a strong brand identity and messaging. 6. Not having a website. In today's digital age, having a website is crucial for any business. It's often the first point of contact between your business and potential customers. To avoid this mistake, invest in a professional website that reflects your brand and provides a seamless user experience. 7. Poor financial management. New entrepreneurs often struggle with financial management. They may not have the skills or experience to manage cash flow, create financial projections, or handle taxes. To avoid this mistake, consider hiring a financial advisor or accountant to help you manage your finances. 8. Lack of focus. Another common mistake is trying to do too many things at once. This can lead to a lack of focus and poor execution. To avoid this mistake, prioritize your goals and focus on the tasks that will have the biggest impact on your business. 9. Not seeking help and advice. New entrepreneurs often try to do everything themselves. However, seeking help and advice from mentors, industry experts, and other entrepreneurs can be incredibly valuable. To avoid this mistake, seek out mentors and advisors who can provide guidance and support. 10. Giving up too soon. Finally, many new entrepreneurs give up too soon. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and perseverance. To avoid this mistake, stay focused on your goals and be patient. Don't give up at the first sign of difficulty. So there you have it, 10 common mistakes new entrepreneurs make and how to avoid them. By following these tips and strategies, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your business goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more business and investment advice. Don't forget to like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. This is Business and Beyond, and we'll see you next week.